Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to send money. First, confirm your card and billing and wallet so the payment uses the right account. Open Messages and choose the conversation. Once there, tap the app drawer, then the Apple Pay button to begin. Enter the amount or use the +/- keys to adjust in small increments. This ensures accuracy. Make sure the correct card is displayed, because Apple Pay will charge that card immediately after you confirm. When it looks right, tap Pay to proceed to confirmation. Once you tap Pay, you need to authorize the transaction. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode so Apple verifies it's you. Review the recipient's name, the exact amount, and the card listed. This avoids sending money to the wrong account. You can add a short note or request in the message field to provide context. After a final glance, tap Send to complete. If anything looks off, cancel now and correct the card or amount before re-attempting to prevent mistakes. After sending, confirm success. A blue payment bubble and a receipt in wallet mean it went through. If it didn't, first check your internet connection and that your card isn't expired or blocked. Make sure the recipient uses an Apple ID set up for iMessage. If you see an error, retry after fixing the card or network. For incorrect charges, open Wallet to view activity and contact your bank or Apple support. They can reverse or clarify transactions when necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.